Instagram just launched a Lite variant of the popular image and video sharing app to the Play Store today. The Lite app follows in footsteps of other popular Lite apps, including some from Instagram's parent company, Facebook. However, the company has currently only launched the app in Mexico and will be launching it in other developing countries later this year. So if you want to check out the Instagram Lite app outside Mexico, here's how to install Instagram Lite right now. Installing the Instagram Lite app is easy enough to do. Just follow the steps and you will be up and running in no time. On your desktop or laptop, head over to the Play Store listing for Instagram Lite. You can check out all the links in the description. In the URL bar, remove the part that says HL is equals to EN and. Now copy the remaining URL and head over to APK Pure. Here, hover your mouse over products and click on APK download. Paste the URL in search box and hit enter. That's it. You will now get the option to download the APK for Instagram Lite. Once you have downloaded it, simply copy the APK to your phone and install it. I tried this out on my OnePlus 3T and it's worked flawlessly, and I'm pretty much sure it will work on other devices as well. Also, since the method is basically using an APK to install the app, it should work for every country. However, if you encounter any issue, let me know in the comment section and I will see you in the next one.